Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Funny English, your one-stop destination to learn English for free.
लेट्स प्रैक्टिस टेंसेस। इससे पहले मैंने टेंसेस के बेसिक रूल्स पे एक वीडियो बनाया है। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उस वीडियो को पहले जाके देख लें, और अगर आपने वो वीडियो देख लिया है तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। लेट्स प्रैक्टिस टेंसेस पार्ट 1। The blanks with do not, does not, do, does and complete the sentences. The first sentence is Meena dash like to be friendly with naughty children. So answer will be Meena does not like to be friendly with the naughty children. The second one is mother dash scold me even when I am careless and irresponsible. So mother does not. So let me write over here. Does not scold me even when I am careless and irresponsible. So now next is an interrogative sentence. So answer will be dash like to read horror stories. So we will write does she like to read horror stories. Next one dash they plan to burst cracker during Diwali. So answer will be do they plan to burst crackers during Diwali. The third one is they dash want to lose the match. So answer will be they do not want to lose the match. The next one is filling the blanks with appropriate form of the verbs in simple present or present continuous tense. So first will be the children should respect elders and avoid showing disrespect to them. So the complete sentence will be children should respect elders and avoid showing disrespect to them. I hope your answer is also correct. The next one.
Stars dash in bracket twinkle at night and I love dash in bracket watch them on a clear night.
Answer. So here it will come. The stars twinkle at night and I love watching them on clear night. Now let's move to the next sentence. So here is dash bake in bracket is bake and then comes cakes take आएगा यहाँ पे. It will not be take. So it will be dash time but I dash make them every Sunday. So the correct answer will be so baking cakes take time but I make them every Sunday. Now the next sentence. These days I dash in bracket wake up early because I enjoy dash go for our morning walk. So the correct answer will be I wake up early because I enjoy going for our morning walk. Now the last sentence. It dash in bracket B the sports day today and students dash participate with great enthusiasm. So answer will be It is the sports day today. Students are participating with great enthusiasm. Okay, I hope your all answers are correct and matching with my answers. Let's move forward. Filling the blanks with the verbs in the present perfect tense. So Aditi dash in bracket join maths coaching classes. So we need to fill in the answer in the present perfect tense. So answer will be Aditi has joined maths coaching classes. You know that in present perfect tense we use has have plus v3 means third form of the verb. If you still have confusion, you can always go back to my video which I made on tenses, wherein I talked about all the rules of the tenses in less than 24 minutes. So now the next sentence. I dash read the novel which father bought last week. So the answer will be I have read the novel which father bought last week. Now the next sentence. Mother dash in bracket it is cook delicious food for lunch. So the answer will be mother has cooked delicious food for lunch. The next one, the teacher dash distribute the question paper. So answer will be the teacher has distributed the question paper. Now filling the blanks with just, yet or already. So first will be she dash polished her shoes for tomorrow morning. So answer will be she has already. She has already polished her shoes for tomorrow morning. So next one is we have dash finished our dinner and can't eat fruits now. So we can say that we have just finished our dinner and can't eat fruits now. Next one. Sneha has dash called her aunt and wished her on her birthday. So we can say that Sneha has just called her aunt and wished her on her birthday. Children have dash gone to bed because they have to wake up early in the morning. So the answer will be the children have. The answer will be the children have already gone to bed because they have to wake up early in the morning. The next question, filling the blanks with the present perfect continuous tense form of verb given in bracket. You know that we use present perfect continuous tense when an event starts in the past and it's still going on. So let's start with the first sentence. We dash wait for train over an hour. So the correct answer will be we have been waiting for the train for over an hour. Now let's move to the next sentence. They dash in bracket recite a poem for 15 minutes and are about to finish. So answer will be they have been reciting a poem for 15 minutes and are about to finish. Now let's move to the next sentence. I dash in bracket watch TV for an hour. Now let's look at
at the correct answer. I have been watching TV for an hour will be the correct answer. Now let's move to the next sentence. She dash in bracket not swim because of skin allergy. So let's look at the correct answer. She has not been swimming because of skin allergy. So let's move to the next sentence, which is an interrogative sentence. Dash they dash in bracket play in the sun for long. So let's look at the answer. Have they been playing in the sun for long? Now next sentence. Dash she dash in bracket shout at her sister for nothing. Now the correct answer is, has she been shouting at her sister for nothing? Now let's move to the next sentence. You dash in bracket not eat fruits for a week and it is not good. So answer will be, you have not been eating fruits for a week and it is not good. Let's move to the next sentence, which is again an interrogative sentence. Dash she dash in bracket sleep for too long. The correct answer will be, has she been sleeping for too long? Now let's move to the next question. Filling the blanks with since or for. You know that in the last video I talked about where to use since and where to use for. We use since when we talk about the starting point of an event. On the other hand, we use for when we calculate the time period of an event. So let's start with the first sentence, which is, we have not slept dash yesterday. So we need to fill in either since or for. So let's look at the correct answer. So we have not slept since yesterday will be the correct answer. Now let's move to the next sentence. The baby has not been sleeping for 3 hours. Now next one, we will be at orphanage for 2 hours. Now the last one. Shimla is covered with a blanket of snow because it has been snowing dash last night. So the correct answer will be since. Shimla is covered with a blanket of snow because it has been snowing since last night. So the correct answer is since. I hope you were able to practice with me, and if you still have doubts, then you can write in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. If you want me to make such kind of videos, please do comment in the comment box. I will be happy to make them for you. Thank you.